Hello lovelies, it's Sabi again. Today I'm here to make samosa fillings, and we're going to make beef samosas. So I will just show you how I'm making my samosas fillings. I have beef, grounded beef. This is 1 kg. I will use half of it. I have samosa wraps. These are the sheets I made earlier, about 2 weeks ago, and I kept them in the freezer. Now I will use them. They are as good as the new one. I have 2 bad onions, red chili. I have 2 carrots here. I have spring onions, a bunch of dhania, and I have ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. I will also use garam masala. I will use black pepper and cumin seeds and paprika. Stay right here with me as I take you through step by step how I make the beef fillings and how to wrap the samosas using strip sheet. You're welcome, and we'll just go ahead without wasting time. Thank you. I will first cut my onions into small pieces, into cubes, and grate my carrots, and I will grate my ginger and now I have black pepper, garam masala, paprika. I have cumin seeds and rosemary dry leaves. This and soy sauce and salt. Now we'll go ahead and put on the stove. In my saucepan, I have a little oil because my meat has fat, so I will use a little oil, and I will cook this meat on a high heat. My oil is hot. I will go in with the cumin seeds. Don't let the cumin seed burn. I will add in half of my grounded beef and stir it well. Remember, my flame is on high, and I will use high heat until it's all done. I'll keep on stirring and breaking the lumps until the water dries out. Add in salt, and always remember when adding salt, if you are using soy sauce, don't add too much because soy sauce also adds salt. All the water has dried out, so I will add all my spices at this point. I'll start with the ginger paste and garlic. Mix it well. Rosemary leaves. At this point, we're going with all the spices. At this point, all the spices are going in. Mix it well, mix it well. Remember, our flame is on high. Pili pili there. If you don't like spicy or chili, this is optional. Maybe if you are making for kids, don't add that one. Also, carrot is optional. Some people don't like that sugary taste of carrot. Vinegar. Just mix them well. Soy sauce. And lastly, add onions. I like my onions to remain crunchy. Remember, we are still going to fry them. At this point, the meat is ready cooked. Add spring onions. Give it a good mix. Lastly, we are going to add coriander or dhania. At this point, turn off your flame and give it a good mix. The filling is well done. Look at it. The aroma is awesome. And the color, the mixture is well done. We'll set it aside to cool down before stuffing. Wow, it's well done. The aroma here is heavenly. Now we'll make our paste. Take some flour, mix with the water, mix it well to form a paste. Mix it well until it forms a paste. Now you remember my earlier samosa wraps? I made them about 2 weeks ago and I kept them in the freezer. Now I will put them into use. Look at it. Still fluffy, foldable. Now you bring the other edge to the middle, then put a paste. Then you see that pocket, that is where our fillings will go in. Add some fillings. Make sure it's not full to the brim. Then put a paste and fold it. Just like that. We have a samosa there. Well tucked in. Repeat the process until you are done with all the samosas. You remember on my other video, I'd shown you how to make the wraps, these strips and the rectangle one. You can check on my samosas full video. If you didn't see it's in my channel. You can check it. Kindly subscribe to my channel. For those who are new here, you're welcome. And kindly subscribe and show me some love. Give me a thumbs up and share the video. Share the link with family, friends. For those who have subscribed, I don't take it for granted. It's not easy getting subscribers. I'm so grateful. Did I mention that these wraps can stay up to 3 months inside a freezer? But once you expose them, you have to use all of it. Continue the process. Wrap it until the last leaf. Wrap well. Thanks you guys for keeping it right here. I believe you've watched this video until the end. These samosas, I will keep some in a freezer because now I have to use all the sheets. So I will only fry the ones we want to use today, and the rest I will keep in a freezer for later use. Look at them. They are all well wrapped. Now we are frying it in a low heat. I love my samosas crunchy and juicy. So you will flip it until it's all turned golden brown. Samosas are ready. I'll remove them and put it aside to drain excess oil in my colander. And we'll serve it hot. Thank you for staying with me up to the end. I will see you in my next video. Kindly share. Bye. The color is beautiful and the aroma is heavenly. See ya.